Hi everyone, welcome back to Premium Mobile Valet. In today's video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process of how we clean this Toyota Corolla, which has had some coffee spilled on the seat and is causing a pretty nasty smell. Let's get started. After giving the seats a quick hoover, I'll start with them first as it takes a while to get them dried out. I start off by spraying my carpet cleaning solution, let it dwell for a few minutes and agitate it using a drill brush. After it's been scrubbed, I'll start extracting all of the dirty solution and repeating this until I can get the seats as clean and dry as possible. And a little tip to get the seats dried out quicker is to just turn on the heaters in the car. Now, moving on to the dash, I'll be using interior cleaner along with a scrub pad and detailing brush to get everything looking brand new. I've got to say, these swabs are an absolute game changer when it comes to getting the vents as clean as possible. Now, moving on to the exterior, the first part I'll always start with is the wheels. I'll give them a pre-rinse beforehand, and then I'll go in with all my various different types of brushes. Just before I do the last wheel, I'll apply citrus pre-wash across all the bodywork and apply a layer of snow foam on top to allow that to dwell for a few minutes, and then I'll rinse it off thoroughly. Just before I wash the car, I'm going to go around with my detail brush to get in all the nooks and crannies to make sure no dirt has been missed. Now I'm going to wash the car using two different mitts and two different buckets. So we've got a rinse bucket and a wash bucket, so we'll put them in the rinse bucket, wring it out, get all the debris or little stones off the mitt, and then we'll put it in the clean soapy water bucket. This is the safest way to wash a car, preventing any swirls or scratching. And there you have it, the car is looking as good as new, all thanks to a little time and effort. I hope you enjoyed this car cleaning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you thought in the comments. Thanks for watching.